Hi, I'm Jeremy from Heritage Home Service, and I just wanted to take a few minutes and talk to you about the benefits of installing a whole house humidifier off of your forced hot air heating system. Installing a whole house home humidifier will lead to improved indoor air quality. It will add moisture to the dry winter air, reducing dust and allergens inside your home. Also enhances indoor comfort by maintaining optimal humidity and making the air feel warmer inside your house. There are many health benefits, including reduced dry skin, sore throats, and minimalizing nosebleeds caused by dry air, and reducing static electricity. A whole house humidifier has many benefits over the small standalone humidifiers because it does humidify your whole house with one system. It doesn't take any water needing to be added to the system, and it's actually cheaper to use over time. Do you think your family would benefit from a whole house humidification system? Then just call Heritage.